Hello guys, today on Kids Dream Toys we got the Disney Princess Tiana's Friendship Fix-Up. Come read with us. One afternoon, Princess Tiana was visiting her best friend Charlotte. "I have nothing to wear, Tia," said Charlotte as she rummaged through her closet. "We have to go shopping." Tiana sighed. "I hardly have time to sit, let alone shop, Lottie." Charlotte pouted. "You're always so busy with your restaurant and Naveen. I just want to spend time with you." Charlotte had a point. Tiana had been very busy. "All right," Tiana agreed. "We can go shopping." She plugged her ears while Charlotte squealed with delight. Charlotte took Tiana to the Bayou Boutique and tried on a poofy dress. "Isn't this darling?" asked Charlotte. "It's swell, Lottie," replied Tiana. "Shall we get it and go?" But Charlotte wasn't so sure. She wanted to try on everything. Hours later, she finally started to make her choices. "I'll take this one, and this one, and this one." "Almost done?" Tiana asked. "Just one more thing," said Charlotte. "We need a dress for you." "Me?" Tiana answered. "But I love the dresses Mama made for me. I don't need another one." "I love them too," Charlotte said, "but there's always room for a new dress. How about this one?" "But Lottie—" "Or this one," continued Charlotte, holding up another dress. "Thanks, Lottie," Tiana told her friend, "but I have to go. The restaurant is about to open." Charlotte watched as Tiana waved goodbye. Tiana and Charlotte both felt bad that they disappointed each other during their shopping trip. The next day they apologized. "I'm glad that's over," said Charlotte, "because I have another brilliant idea about how we can spend time together." "I'll help you at the restaurant," she announced. "Won't that be fun?" Tiana wasn't so sure, but she at least wanted to give it a try. She showed Charlotte how to make beignets in fun shapes. "Charlotte did a great job. Can you make the rest?" asked Tiana. "Is my daddy's name Big Daddy?" replied Charlotte. "Of course I can." After Tiana left, Charlotte heated up a vat of oil. When it was ready, she dropped the dough in and whoosh! It went up in flames. Tiana came in just as the smoke cleared. "Oh, Lottie," she exclaimed. "What did you do?" Charlotte didn't know what happened. She started to cry. When Charlotte got home, she complained. She fussed. Most of all, she missed her best friend. Meanwhile, Tiana grimaced. She grumbled. She missed her best friend, too. That night, Charlotte and Tiana knew they had to find each other. Tiana swore at Charlotte in front of the theater. The friends hugged. "I'm sorry," Charlotte cried. "Me too," Tiana said. "I want to spend time with you, Lottie, but maybe shopping and cooking aren't the best ways to do that." "I agree," said Charlotte. "So what can we do?" Just then, Tiana noticed the theater marquee. "Look, Lottie, the Frog Prince!" exclaimed Charlotte. "Our favorite!" They put their arms around each other and headed to see the show. "That was amazing," Charlotte said when the show had ended. "But the way your mama told the story when we were little girls is still my favorite." Tiana knew she and Charlotte would always agree on what most mattered, being best friends forever. Thanks for reading with us today, guys, on Kids Dream Toys. This is the Disney Princess Tiana's Friendship Fix-Up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Kids Dream Toys.